this my good side now?
I think so, yeah.
I haven't yet figured that one out.
Not singing again
this,
now.
by the way, are we recording, yeah?
Yeah.
I am this lazy. We are going on one of these lazy bastard things. Because I am that lazy.
Like, of course.
I hadn't got any diet chaff, so I had to settle for this substandard product. Gate 103, on the way to Liverpool. 30 years of hurt. Is it over? We'll find out. I think I've listened to every song on my playlist that has the word miracle in it. And I include, don't you know you, oh, I need a miracle. All of them.
But you're going to stop singing now.
No, I'm not going to stop singing, Conor. I'm going to start singing all day. What have I been doing since the second we got to the airport? Genie Wijnaldum. I can't believe I actually bumped into somebody I know in Liverpool airport. One of my good mates, somebody who's been around, what, 2 years, 3 years now, Andrew? We've been going back and forth.
Yeah, the longest 3 years of my life.
I don't blame you, you're absolutely right. But I was just saying to him, Dublin airport, you couldn't move for Liverpool shirts. You could not move for Liverpool shirts, and from what you've been talking to as well, Andrew, nobody's a sniff of a ticket. Nobody coming over.
They're like the oldest.
I'd say there's a few lads now already after hitting up the credit union for Madrid, for the old top-up loans. This is where the day starts. I was saying to the guys a couple of minutes ago, the nerves are starting to kick in. The hours just aren't moving. You're looking at the clock, wanting it to get towards 3 o'clock, wanting it to get to beer o'clock for Conor anyway, but as things stand, it's 8:30. We're sitting here about to have a cup of coffee, and I still can't get the Genie Wijnaldum song out of my head. It's still stuck in my head. Anything is possible. You've got to keep believing, don't you? You've just got to keep believing. As I said, I met up with a couple of mates already. One of them's just gone to treat himself to a shite, you know, as you do, pre-game. Get the nerves out. 1-0 to Brighton, 3-1, 3-0 to the Reds. I love your positivity as always, ladies and gents. Thank you. Look, we'll catch up with you soon. Keep an eye on the channel. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to our Twitter or YouTube channel already. And don't forget to follow us on Twitter. Look, here's Andrew making his way over as well. We're everywhere, Russ. We're absolutely everywhere. Look, ladies and gents, I'll talk to you soon. Up the motherfucking Reds. Here we go. On to the Liverpool shop now to spend some more money. You know, I've got this YouTube money. It's burning a hole in our pockets. Well, victory! 2-0 Liverpool. Mo Salah, Mane in the mirror. 2-0. Don't worry about what happens to Brighton. We just got to win the game today. Just win the game. I don't care. Well, I do care what happens on the skin. Brighton, look. All we can do is our own job and win the game. And see what concentrate on us. Just concentrate on us, win the game. I don't even want to look at the City screen. I don't want to know. I just want us to win and see what happens. Yeah. I suppose the overriding feeling that we have now is, I suppose, a little bit of sadness, but maybe sadness tinged with a lot of pride. That's how I'm feeling right now. And obviously we're talking in the midst of Liverpool having beaten Wolves for 2-0, Manchester City having won the Premier League. Congratulations to them, but how are you feeling right now, mate?
I feel like I've been sad because we did expect it. We didn't expect them to drop points today necessarily. We thought that they would win. They transpired to win. We lost the league, came second. So obviously I've been sad, but I think if you're not looking at the season with total optimism and pride and a sense of what is this team going to be like next year, then I don't think that you're viewing it the right way. So overall I'm sad, but a real feeling of progression.
Happy, unhappy, proud, just everything. I didn't, as Cash said earlier, I didn't expect City to really drop us. Hoping it was a miracle. Hope for a second miracle. Didn't happen in the end, but it happened for maybe a minute. We were in it, but 97 points. It's just unbelievable.
Like, these boys are fucking giants. They are. And anybody who wants Klopp out was seeing this upward trajectory of how they're playing, how the system's working, how they're meshing together. They're stupid. They don't understand football. It's only going to get better from here.
After being loved by the school bully, just to the cries at the end of the term. But having said that, 9 years ago, Liverpool Football Club almost went under. People have to realise that. And look where we are now. 97 points, 22 points better than last year, and we're in the European Cup final once again. And all we've got to do is make that count, because being silver medalist only go on to so long. So we've got to make that count now in the gym.
We've gone 2 years now unbeaten at home. When Jurgen Klopp came in, he said he wanted to make Anfield a fortress. I think we can safely say in that aspect, job done, Jurgen.
All we had to do today at Anfield was win the game, get to 97 points. That's all we could do. That's all I wanted the team to do. That's why I'm so proud of them. But I think the big thing now is for Klopp is the Champions League final on the 1st of June. I think we got to win them. I really do. For Klopp's sake, for everyone's sake, just got to win it. What happened last year in Kiev, it's forgotten about now, but that left a bad taste in my mouth, to be honest. But we go into this as favourites, which is unusual for Liverpool in the European Cup final in recent years. But I just think this is a key. If we win this against Spurs, I think we're going to kick on.
Dust yourself down, digest this, and then look to Madrid, because there's still another trophy to be won. Man City may have the Premier League, but they'd love to be looking forward to Madrid, but they're not, and we are. And we should embrace that and enjoy that.
It's been one hell of a roller coaster, ladies and gents, and I think that's been encapsulated in this past week. We had the dagger in the heart that was Vincent Company on Monday night. Then we had Tuesday, and we had Wednesday Spurs as well. It's been a great week of football. Thanks for watching. We'll catch up with you soon.